Greetings, this is M squared, and we're going to talk about the standard form of a linear equation. Keep in mind, this is standard form. You have an x and a y both on the left side of the equation. You have a and b, which are the coefficients, or the numbers in front of them. A, b, and c must be integers. No decimals, no fractions. Have to be integers. A has to be positive. It cannot be negative. B can be negative, C can be negative, A cannot be negative to be in standard form. And you can't have A and B both be 0. One of them can be 0, but they both can't be 0. And if A was 0, then you wouldn't have any x. If B was 0, you wouldn't have any y. So if they were both 0, you'd have 0 equals some number, which isn't true. So they can't both be 0. So let's start with this one. It's actually in slope-intercept form. So to get it in standard form, the first thing I want to do is move the 3x over to the other side. So now I have negative 3x plus y equals negative 8. So now I have x and y on this side. They're all integers. That's this one. A, b, and c must all be integers. Negative 3, 1, and negative 8 are integers. But a is negative. So I've got to multiply that whole thing by a negative 1. So I'm going to switch all the signs. So now I have 3x minus y equals 8. Now it's not negative, and they're not, a and b aren't both 0, so I'm done. Standard form. Next one. Again, I have to move the x over. So I move the x over. I get negative 5x plus 2y equals negative 3. They're all integers. Number 1, check. A is negative. Got to fix that. Multiply by a negative 1. Then I have 5x minus 2y equals positive 3. A and b aren't both 0. Check. Done with that. Okay, on this one I have y over here, so I need to move the 3y over by minusing 3y from both sides. So now I have negative 4x equals, minus 3y equals 12. They're all integers, but again, a is negative. So I need to get rid of the negative by multiplying by negative 1. And when I do that, all the signs change. Whoops. That's a negative 12. And then it's in standard form. Sorry for the scribble. But it's that simple. Just remember, we'll go up a step in the next one. We'll have some fractions. But it's that simple. You need to get the x and the y on the left side. Make sure they're integers. The coefficients and the constant. Make sure a is positive. And you should do just fine. Good luck. M squared signing out.